Okay then guys, in this video we're going to show you how we make these solid pine art signs. Coming up. Okay, so first things first, we've got this panel which I've glued up last night. We call these pellet art wood sign. They're not made from pallet wood, they're actually made from solid pine. Glued this up last night. We're going to take it over to the saw and cut it up into the sizes we need for the panels. Okay then guys, so that's how we make these solid pine art sign. These are two prototypes, we've got a third one to do. It's for Russell Ince's Christmas Imaginarium. So if you guys like Christmas, you need to check out the website. We're going to put a link in the description below. Hopefully they like it too. If they do, we've got a few of these to make and hopefully they sell well. If you like this video, please think about subscribing, click a thumbs up and leave a comment. See you later guys.